250 ahead. 220 ahead. So we're not in it yet. So keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. We haven't actually hit it yet.
No,
No.
What do you mean?
We must be in it now. Okay, we're in now. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Oh, what? Could I have started faster?
No. So that's the shed there. So that's where it ends. Right, where are we?
Go, go, go.
Yeah. 6 right. 30, 6 left. 80. Long 5 right. Tightens 50. 7 left. 60. 7 left. 6 right. 350. 7 left. 7 left, 100. 6 right, 150. 8 left, 80. 6 left, 120. 7 right over long small crest, 400. And 7 left. 7 left, 30. And then 7 right over small crest, 250. 6 right over small crest, tightens. Does. 350.
Someone's got on.
7 right, 30. Then 5 left, 180. 7 right opens to small crest, 40. Tree down. 7 right over small crest into 6 left. Going 100. 7 left, 80. 7 right, 30. 6 left, tightens late, 30. 6 right, kinks 200. 6 right opens to small crest into 5 left. 30. 6 right, 60. 6 left, then caution, 50. Keep left over small crest into 5 right over narrow bridge, 150. Yeah. Turn 4 right, 4 right. Kinks 80. 6 right, 80. Long 7 left, 120. 6 right over small crest, 30. 5 left, 30. 6 right, tightens to a long 5, 30. 6 left, tightens to a 5. 7 right, 120. 8 right, 60, small crest. Small crest, kinks, 120. 8 left, 60. Small crest, long 5 right, 30.
Just waiting for that 5.
6 left, 180. It was over the page. 6 right, 40. 5 left, tightens. 5 right, opens. Then kinks 300. 7 right past junction, 6 left. 80, long 5 right, 7 left, 40, long 6 right over small crest, 40, very long 5 left to small crest, 6 right, long 5 left, 180, long 5 right, opens, 50. Left, 7 right over small crest, 100, long 8 left, 150, 7 right, 50, small crest, kinks 300, then 8 left over small crest, 100 to finish. Yeah. Shit, timing's a bit off on that one. It said stage complete before we'd even got to it.
Good. Get a good time.
Yeah, I don't know, because we had that slow bit at the start where I thought we were in the zone, and then it said, nah,